Discover natural remedies, soothe sore throats and relax aching muscles. Welcome to the wonderful world of natural remedies. Today we're exploring ingredients from your pantry that can soothe a sore throat and muscles. Let's dive in. The first remedy is a classic, honey lemon ginger tea. Start with 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Next, add an equal amount of honey. Why honey? It's a natural humectant which helps to soothe a sore throat. No honey lemon ginger tea is complete without a slice of fresh ginger. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties which aid in pain relief. Let it steep for a few minutes, then sip slowly. This mixture can work wonders for a sore throat. Next up is a healing bath soak. Start with a cup of Epsom salts. The magnesium in Epsom salt helps relax muscles and relieve pain. Add a half cup of baking soda. Baking soda helps detoxify and alkalize your body. Include a quarter cup of sea salt. Sea salt aids in promoting circulation and calming the nervous system. Next, add 5 drops of lavender essential oil. Known for its calming properties, lavender is ideal for a relaxing soak. Stir these ingredients together and add them to warm bath water. Soak for 20 minutes for best results. Our third remedy is a turmeric milk concoction. The active ingredient in turmeric curcumin has powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Start with 1 cup of any milk. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Include a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper helps our bodies absorb curcumin more effectively. Then stir in a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. Sip this mixture before bedtime for maximum effect. Lastly, we present to you a DIY mustard bath soak. Mustard helps increase circulation, relieving muscle aches. Combine 2 tablespoons of mustard powder with a cup of Epsom salts. Add a few drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Eucalyptus is known for its ability to relieve muscle pain and reduce inflammation. Mix these in your bath water and soak for 20 minutes. It's a powerful remedy for sore muscles. All the remedies we've discussed are natural, easy to make, and offer relief from common ailments. They represent centuries of wisdom passed down through generations. Remember, the effectiveness of these remedies can vary from person to person. Always do a patch test with new ingredients to avoid allergic reactions. Consult a healthcare professional if you're unsure about using a particular ingredient. Nature has a lot to offer in terms of healing. We just need to learn how to harness it. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live in. We hope you found this video helpful. Try these remedies and let us know how they worked for you. Remember, your health is your wealth. Thank you for walking this journey with us. We wish you health, happiness, and a life filled with natural remedies. So what are you waiting for? Give these remedies a try and experience the healing power of nature. Stay tuned for more natural remedy recipes. In the meantime, take care and be well. Embrace the power of nature and watch as it transforms your health and well-being. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep healing naturally.